Let me show you how to use the one tap button or the action button on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So this is the one tap button and it's the grooved button on the edge of your Tecno device. So by default, when you press it once, it is supposed to launch a function, and when you long press on it as well, it's also supposed to launch a function just like that. But you can customize it to set it to your own custom options, and to do that you simply have to go to settings, and under settings you want to scroll down and select the one tap button. So as you can see, by default a long press is set to open Ella and a single press is set to open the one tap flash memo. Now you can toggle the haptic feedback on or off. If you want to feel that slight vibration, simply toggle this on or off if you do not like that. And if you want to customize the long press to do something else, simply tap on that, and instead of selecting Ella, you can select something else. For example, you can tap on it to launch the flashlight and then tap on apply, and now when you long press on it just like that, it's going to launch the flashlight. Or if you long press on it once again, it's going to turn off the flashlight. Now the single press is set to open the one tap flash memo, which does the function of analyzing whatever is on your screen and being able to send that summary to the mind hub, where you're going to get that quick summary at a glance. So when you press on it once like that, it's going to start analyzing your screen. You should see the current thing it's doing in the dynamic port, and when you go to the mind hub, it's going to summarize for you whatever it is saying on the screen, just like that. So for this, if you do not like this function, you can simply tap on that and be able to toggle this off, and now when you press it once, nothing is going to happen. And you can also set this long press to open a custom app, or even you can set it to none and tap on apply, so that now when you long press that button, nothing happens. So if you do not like this port, you can set it to none, and also you can disable it from here so that the button does nothing when you long press or when you press it once. But that's basically how to use the one tap button on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.